In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot audit log to review critical information about user activities, login history, and security measures. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to ensure the security and efficiency of their HubSpot account. Let's dive right into it. To start, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot user guide. This is where we'll begin our journey through the audit log. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the main user guide page. This page is packed with useful information to help you get the most out of HubSpot. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to guide you seamlessly through different sections, making navigation a breeze. Now, you'll want to locate the settings option. It is usually represented by a gear icon. This icon leads you to the hub of customization and configuration options in HubSpot. Clicking on it opens a menu where you can tweak various account settings to fit your business needs. Here, it's crucial to explore the options available to understand what settings might impact the audit logs effectively. Next, direct your attention to the audit log. The audit log is essential as it records all changes made within your account, tracking who did what and when. This could include modifications to contact properties or any actions impacting your data integrity. By monitoring these entries, you can better assess whether your data is safe and in accordance with your organization's policies. Once you've accessed the audit log, your next stop is checking the login history. This section will display a record of all login attempts, successful or otherwise. It's a pivotal tool for spotting any unusual activity or unauthorized attempts to access your HubSpot account. You'll want to periodically review this section to ensure no one is trying to breach your security protocols. Following this, click on Security Activity. This section provides insights into recent activities that might affect your account's safety. Here, you'll view detailed logs of any security-related events, such as password changes, two-factor authentication settings, modifications, and more. Being aware of these actions is vital for maintaining the integrity and security of your account in the long run. To wrap it up, regularly visiting these sections within HubSpot not only helps you stay informed, but also protects your business-critical data. By making this a regular practice, you can preemptively address potential security concerns and keep your HubSpot environment running smoothly and securely. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay proactive and safeguard your digital workspace.